Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I will show you 10 things that you should not do with your Oculus Quest 2 because I think you want that the headset lasts for a long time and that you don't get hurt yourself. So I will show you these 10 things. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors Oculus VR, Opperman Events, Peter Wasmeyer, Virtual Escape and Slim Beats. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay, and then let's start with number 1. So, did you ever play with magnifying glasses and the sun? What happens then? Yeah, when the sunlight comes on the magnifying glasses, then everything what's beneath burns. And the lenses of the Oculus Quest 2 is the same than the magnifying glass. So what happens when sunlight is going on the lenses? Correct. The display that's under the lenses will burn. And that's a bad idea because then you see some yellow dots or whatever. I had the same problem with an older headset some years ago. So really guys, not even for 2 seconds. Please note, never play on sunlight, never let the sunlight go on the lenses. So if here's your window, don't place the Oculus Quest here because the light can burn the display. Put it in a dark place or where the sunlight doesn't come on the lenses, or use the lens cover. You can find some from a VR cover. I will put the link in the description below so you can cover the lenses and then put it where you want. Also when you play outside, when you are in the sun and then you play like Beat Saber outside and then you just put the VR headset off the head and then it's so hot, and even in this 2 seconds when you get rid of your sweat here, it can burn your lenses. So play in a place with a lot of shadow and then it's better. Never play in the sunlight, okay? Number 2, use a microfiber cloth to clean the lenses. Don't use this glasses cleaning stuff. There is alcohol inside. Just wipe it with the microfiber cloth stuff and then you will not damage the lenses with alcohol or with scratches. Or don't use your t-shirt as well to clean that. It's not good. It can scratch your lenses. Don't do this. Number 3, don't play at high temperatures. I would say something between 20 or 24 degrees Celsius is good. Not at like 35 degrees Celsius. It's too hot. It can damage the electronics here and it's not good for the Quest 2. Also in very low temperatures like icy stuff and then it can also damage the Quest. So play on normal temperatures, in room temperature. Then number 4. Don't charge the battery to 100%. There's a lithium-ion battery inside and it doesn't want that. So don't let it on the power bank for the whole night or the power adapter. Just the best thing is to charge it to 80%. And also not lower than 20%. Don't let it go to 0. It can also damage your battery. Something between 20 and 80% battery is the best for the integrated battery for the Oculus Quest 2. So please note that. The next thing, number 5, people wearing glasses. Perhaps you'd already noticed that you have glasses and you put it on your head and then, oh damn, I scratched the lenses. So don't do this. Don't do this. What you can do is check out the package of the Oculus Quest 2. There's a little spacer inside and you can put it between the face insert and the Oculus Quest 2. Then put it there again and then you have some more millimeters and then you will not scratch the lenses with your glasses anymore. That's really very interesting. Or just use prescription adapters to put on the lenses. Then you don't even need your glasses anymore. I will put them in the description below. The next thing, number 6, You might think I'm stupid or whatever. Do not play like this. Do not play like this, like Beat Saber or FitX or whatever, Gorn or what stuff. Use the straps. Use the straps. It is so important. Even tie it here like this, and then it's more safe. So, for example, if I'm sweating here, I play Blade and Sorcery, and I use the sword to do like this. And when the controller slides off my hand, I will crash my VR headsets here. So if you use the strap, you can even do like, it just stays on your hand here when something happens. So do yourself a favor and use the straps. Believe me, everybody will experience that you will destroy something. Don't play without the straps, or even use the knuckle straps. There is something from VR cover as well. I will put it in the description below. So it's around your knuckles here, and then it's also safe. The next thing is, don't draw your play area too close to your walls or whatever. So if here's my the VR wall for my headsets, I would paint it like here to have the maximum play space. Don't do this. Go a little bit to the side and paint it like 20 centimeters before your real wall. So when you play very fast games and you come close to your wall or whatever, then the grid appears before you hit the wall. Yeah, so make sure paint your play space a little bit off the real walls, like 20 centimeters. It's much safer. That's cool. So number 8, right? Reboot your headset. So sometimes, I mean, the Quest 2 is a computer, and you will reboot your computer as well. So if there's something stuttering or an app crashes again and again, you're wondering, oh, what's that shit? And just try to reboot the headset, and normally this is the fix. So how to reboot it? Just push the button for 3 seconds and then go on restart, and then everything should work again. That's the most common fix. So number 9, and that's very important for the Oculus Quest 2, you will need a Facebook account. I don't think this is a good decision of Oculus and Facebook, but we cannot change that. So when you don't like Facebook, many people don't like Facebook and they want to use a fake account so they don't get the data. But there's one problem: when you use some fake birthday or your fake name or fake email, then it could happen that your Facebook account gets banned, and then you lose all your games that you bought for your Oculus or Facebook account. And you don't want to experience that, believe me. So make sure, even if you are a child, if you are 10 years old, don't fake your birthday to 14 years. You might get your account banned. Please use real stuff. And the last thing is number 10. So if you want to go to your friend, the Quest 2 is a cool standalone headset. You can bring it everywhere. Sometimes you just have to hurry and put it in your backpack, and then the controllers also in the backpack. And then it could happen that the controllers fall on your lenses here and scratch the lenses. So don't just put it in your backpack. Use a real bag for the Oculus Quest 2. So for example, with the Elite strap, there comes a cool Oculus Quest 2 carrying case where you can put all the stuff inside and then it's safe. Or just use the standard package here. Just make sure nothing touches the lenses when you transport the Oculus Quest 2. I will put some of the cool carrying cases in the description below, so make sure you check it out. So guys, that were the 10 things that you should not do with your Oculus Quest 2. I hope I could help you a little bit out. with that. I hope you liked the video. You can find everything about VR and AR, like Index, like Quest 2, PlayStation VR, Windows Mixed Reality, also gameplays, tutorials, events, VR arcade visits, everything. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. You don't miss anything. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE